Hello and welcome to Ozaria. Today we have a special code club where we are using ozaria.com to play a really fun game also while learning Python. So our class code, which should have been in the link in our video, is right here. It is baby pork run, and there are a few things that you need to know about using this. Over on your bottom right, you have a button that you can click that will turn this lovely music. Very heroic, huh? The music gets turned off. You can also maximize your browser to make it fill your full screen. And then there's a map. So if you want to go back to end of the lesson, so this is our map right here, where you can see all the different stages that we need to do. Up here is your account. So if you signed in, you can sign in with your Google Classroom if you want to keep track of your progress, but you don't have to. You can customize your hero, so you can choose a different type of body that you want to have. And I chose this lady. And you can change their hair colors, you can give them a name, and then skin color, and then once you hit done, you have your character. Alright, so that's the intro. Let's get started. So we're going to hit the play button, and when you hit the play button, it's going to launch a video. The videos are fun. They just sort of give you the whole scope of the imagination of Ozaria and where you're at. But because you're not going to be able to hear the language while I do this, we are just going to click on the little button, which was behind my video, that says skip video. So we're going to get started. So I already did this, but I'm going to replay it. And it's going to make skip video again. And then we'll go to next. And here we go. So if you have the sound off, you're not going to hear your character speak. If you put the sound back on, you can then hear your character speak. So this is going to give you your actions, what you need to do next. It's also going to give you like how to do it. So here's our learning goal for this particular session, and we're going to get started. So we've been searching all day. So we need to move our character from here up to this red scarf. So they already have one hero move up for us. So that'll take her to this button. So to get to the next button, we're going to need to make sure our browser is right here. So you can see it, the little flickering bar gets a little darker if you make sure you're in there. And then you start typing. And look, as you start typing, it actually offers it to you, so you don't even have to type the whole thing. So you can click on it, or you can just hit enter. And then when you hit run right here, we can see if we did it properly. And yay, we did it properly. So let's go to the next one. So now we're heading up the mountain, and you see another red cloth. She's on the right path. I'll have to go around this little pond. So I need to move up, so we have hero move up, which we just learned. And now we have a hero move right that'll let me go right around the pond. So that'll help us get there. So see, we have all of these little dots, and you can either go this way and over and up, or you can go this way and over and up. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do move. Make sure my cursor's there, remember, so it's now darker. So we're going to move hero, move right. And then we need to have our hero move up again, because I'm right here and doing this, and then I need one more. So one more hero move up. And now to see if I did it successfully, we're going to hit run. And look, we went over and then up again. So we got it! Yay! We went around the pond. So there are a lot of lessons in here, and I hope you enjoy them. I personally would keep the sound on because I love the heroic music. It makes me really feel like I'm on a quest. So when you hit next, it'll take you on to the next level. And now we have 2 goals. We're going to have to get to the door and use the door. So I'm going to leave you here. I hope you really enjoyed this video in this Code Club session. And if you have any questions, concerns, then please put that in the comments and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. All right, bye for now.